long are the visa processing times? Visa processing times are taking longer since December 2018. Are you applying for a New Zealand visa? Make sure the information in your application is complete and correct. Any mistake can delay the processing of your visa. Immigration New Zealand receives high numbers of applications between November and March. Therefore, it takes more time to get visas ready during that period. Submit your request as early as possible to allow enough time for your application to be processed before the date you intend to travel. What does visa processing times mean? Processing times describe the time needed by Immigration New Zealand to process your visa application once you have lodged it. The expected processing times have almost doubled in most cases. Unfortunately, this news has put additional pressure on migrants and their families who have successfully secured a job offer and want to start working as soon as possible. Our licensed immigration advisors and their support team are doing their best to keep any additional delays at bay. What can you do to cut down the processing time of your visa application? Submission of the visa application. After you have submitted your application, it will be scanned by a receiving officer who will check whether all the documents have been submitted in the prescribed manner. Delays will occur if your documents are not complete and your application is returned to you as a consequence. Lodgement and allocation of visa application. Once your application has been formally accepted, it is lodged and allocated to an immigration case officer who will be in charge of deciding whether you will be granted the visa. Eligibility check and verification of visa application. The case officer will assess your eligibility and determine whether you have proven that you are eligible for the specific visa type you've applied for. If your case officer questions your eligibility under the policy you have chosen, or is not convinced you have provided sufficient evidence for meeting all the criteria of that policy, you may be given a chance to explain yourself and submit further documents. In many cases, documents have to be obtained from the migrants' home countries, which can be difficult and very time-consuming. Competent visa advice and careful preparation are the keys to a smooth visa application process, regardless of which type of visa you are applying for. Fill in our free assessment form if you'd like our help to understand all immigration options available for you.